In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived Asana projects. If you've been using Asana for a while, you might have amassed quite a number of projects, both ongoing and completed. Sometimes, projects get archived, and navigating back to them when you need a reference or want to review old milestones can be a bit tricky. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the simple process to locate those archived projects effectively. To start, once you've logged into your Asana account, take a moment to get reacquainted, especially if you haven't visited in a while. You'll notice that Asana might have a fresh, updated layout filled with your ongoing projects and tasks prominently displayed. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the current interface before diving into more specific tasks. Now, what you'll want to do is locate the Projects tab. Typically, you'll find this tab situated on the left-hand side of the page. It's your handy gateway to sorting through all your projects, including those that have been archived. Once you click on the Projects tab, you'll be directed to a window aptly named Browse Projects. This is a particularly useful space because it neatly lists out all your projects, allowing you to manage them with ease. To delve a bit deeper into the list, look out for the filter options. It's usually located at the top or within the browsing window. Among these filter options, you should click on Status. The status filter is essential for refining your view of the projects, so it's definitely worth noting how it functions. Within the status options, you will see one labeled Archived. This is the focal point of our task today. Go ahead and click on Archived, and there you have it. Once you've selected the Archived option, all your archived projects will be listed right in front of you. It's as simple as that. From here, you're free to browse through the archived project list and open specific projects. This allows you to explore past tasks and timelines, a perfect opportunity for a trip down memory lane or for retrieving vital information whenever needed. Finding your archived projects in Asana is truly about knowing where to look and leveraging the built-in tools Asana provides for this exact purpose. This great organizational feature makes revisiting completed projects a hassle-free task, so you can stay on top of your work without unnecessary stress. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me today. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get more content just like this. Happy organizing!